Okay everyone, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to my BMW 135i. It's 2009 E82 model, and today we are going to be doing this mountain pass again, one that I've done multiple times, but I absolutely love this road, so we're going to be doing it again. I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around, and at the same time, I'm going to throw my microphone quickly in the engine bay of this car. Well, hopefully, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's a E82 135i, absolutely gorgeous car. Yeah, I love this car, so let's open up this bonnet, which is going to be a bit noisy for a moment or two. Engine is very hot. Just want to find a place that this will stick. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Okay, let's close that. And I don't think we need any photos of the car, but there's our view. We're going to be heading up the mountain. But before we get going, obviously you guys saw the N54 that is in the front of this car. It is a 2009 model, so it does have the N54. But for a second, just look at those brake calipers. Those things are huge. Now, my 135i is not a standard 135i. We will stop at a certain point and I will give you guys a proper run through of why this car is so special to me, but just off the bat, all the bushings and the control arms are from the E92 M3. It's got the conversion kit on it. This car also has index 12 injectors, so brand new fuel injectors, and it's got an aluminium charge pipe. It's a nice bike. Other than that, there's not much else done to the car. So I think what we should do is hop in, there we go, and go and enjoy this pass. So one thing about this car is, when it first came out, quite a few car reviewers, Randy Post included, mentioned that, I'm going to talk about it while we're stuck behind a car, but mentioned that the car, it has a bit of body roll. So as much as the platform is amazing, it has a bit of body roll, and when you change the bushings and you put the conversion on of the E92 M3 control arms, this car really stiffens up, so much so that I don't enjoy driving this car on a daily basis. It is a very rough car to drive. You feel absolutely everything, but that doesn't make it any less fun, don't get me wrong. You'll see now. car sounds good, but like I said, it picks up speed so quickly. And what I'm noticing is it has a lot of wind noise. Haha, in classic BMW fashion, we have been hit with a check engine light.